Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here in Lincoln and I'm gonna eat some food for you guys right here. It tastes really good. Yeah, I'm gonna get started, okay? So start with the noodle, start with the chicken. This is good. You guys should try this. Got the noodle. Right here. Good. This plant is called Lian Chin. You guys should try this. It's really good. There are a lot of food here, and you guys should come here. It's special for real. It tastes good. 100% it tastes good. Thank you for watching, and you guys should watch this channel. It's gonna be really fun, and I'll make you hungry. Peace. Bye.